Welcome to Guerrilla Investments, where smart money makes smart moves. I am your host, the legendary Al Sifa, where truth, knowledge, and a little bit of education will be dispersed. Man, where truth and knowledge and a little bit of education will be dispersed. Man, that is so important. That is a thing that everyone should be clean on. As you know, I made a price prediction in my life. And the purpose of making that price prediction so that you can prepare yourself. Because you only have 4 options. Okay? You can buy, basically using cash. You can buy back in case you sold everything out. You can do nothing because you already had a plan and you got a price projection, or you can sell. Exactly. You see, the whole purpose of this channel is to educate people to prepare. There are times you're going to do nothing because you already have a plan and you've been keeping up with your investments. And sometimes there are opportunities that is out there that you can capitalize on. I gave a price prediction not to be fudding or anything, because there are people out here who wanted to get in, buy, or wanted to make their portfolio have a stronger position. So, it's not FUD if it's true. Now, I did not think at all that the price prediction I gave on Flare of 1233, which it went to 1,200 points, was going to happen that fast. Okay? And the reason why I said that is because Flare is a tough coin when it comes to a downtrend. It really don't drop that much. It really don't. So I did my calculations, and this is my calculation, not on the algorithmic program that I do have. I probably should have did that to get a more precise date, but a simple calculation, you know, is a good, fair tool to use. But still, even I believe if I used my algorithmic program that me and my 4 brothers have, it would have probably still put it in April or May. Because Flare is a resilient asset to hold. Especially on a downtrend. You know, it doesn't drop that much. But nevertheless, it happened. Now I got to rearrange some of my TA price points boxes around, because it's happening a lot faster, which is good. That means it's going to go down a lot further. I mean, right now, I believe, before I start to get into my next point, let me see, where is Flare right now? Flare is at 1255, 1260 globally. 1260 globally. Okay. Prices could vary on different exchanges. Man, this guy looks like he don't know what he's doing, but I feel him. But nevertheless, okay, it's a good day. I'm excited. I've been waiting for this bear market. There's a lot of YouTubers that is sitting up here saying this is not a bear market. Okay, I keep telling you, be careful who you follow. And the person that you do follow on social media, make sure you check, double check, and triple check what they're saying. Because this person can be under impression of something else that may or may not be true, and you could be helping this person. Now, another thing, Songbird. I haven't been talking about Songbird. Songbird, the reason why I haven't been talking about Songbird is because I've been working on my research on Songbird, when Songbird is going to surpass Flare in price. Songbird will surpass Flare in price. It's going to take a bear market. In other words, Songbird in a bear market has a higher chance of surpassing Flare in price than in a bull market. Now, I'm not saying this bear market Songbird will surpass. Right now, I'm working on how many points in range that Songbird needs to be in order to position itself to surpass Flare and in price. That's what I'm working on. I'm also working on, me and my four brothers are working on when will Songbird will surpass in Flare in price. And I see, I got a lot of data. I just got to work it out. A lot of people are not happy with Songbird, okay? You know, it's because they didn't have a plan. Just like a lot of people are crying about the price of Flare, the price of Songbird. Well, if you would have properly prepared yourself and I gave you a price prediction, you could have possibly have an opportunity to buy in or buy yourself into the green. You can literally buy into the green or buy yourself into the green, where your portfolio will show you that you are profitable. But I don't know. I mean, what can I say? What can I say? A lot of people don't sit here and really try to learn. All most people want to do is give me the price, give me the price. If I gave you every single price prediction, you wouldn't know what to do with it anyways. You know, personally, that's what I think. But why should I do your homework when you should be doing yours? I give you enough to prepare yourself. I could have told y'all, oh, you need to sell right now and then wait till it gets to this price and buy back in, which will help. But remember, I'm the guy who showed you every single trade that I did to get up to where I was at. I stopped sharing it because a lot of people felt uncomfortable. So I only do it on YouTube when opportunities present itself, you know. But the moment I make a trade or a sell or a buy order, I put it on Telegram. And the moment that my order fills, I put that on Telegram. I have done that before. Remember, I'm the guy that says he's going to get 500,000 Songbird at zero price. And I told you it's important to have a spreadsheet. Right now, let me show you my spreadsheet. Right now, you want to understand it anyway, so, but still, for the three that I'm helping out learning, right now, it's the bottom of page 2 of my spreadsheet. Right now, if I get back in, I would have literally picked up, oh, excuse me, showing you. Yeah, if I get back in right now, I will pick up 214,000. Oh, I didn't refresh it. Hold on. 214,000 Songbird. Right now, the price of Songbird went up, so now it just refreshed. Now, if I get back in, I will have 209,654. 209,654. That would be the biggest trade I ever made. I will have additional 209,000. Right now, I'm in the negative with Flare at 24,000. There's a reason why I'm in the negative, because I just did something just to do it. But that's going to change in a few months. Yeah, in a few months or a few weeks. Don't know. I hadn't had time. But nevertheless, ladies and gentlemen, you know, I'm the guy. But nobody else out here is giving you price predictions. Nobody's trying to help you keep your portfolio in the green. I don't know what to tell you, you know. I don't know what to tell you. And yeah, I'm going to speak about DCAing. What is the proper way of DCAing? Because a lot of you people are stuck on everything that people in Wall Street do, or what Wall Street say. You see, hey, look, I understand that. I had one person, Brent, says I'm not DCAing. Well, you know that, you know, according to the definitions of Wall Street. Look, first of all, I'm not in Wall Street. I'm in the crypto space. All right, I am DCAing because I have a DCA price. Matter of fact, and I'm going to get in a reason why they want you to believe that the way Wall Street DCA is to keep you suppressed. You didn't know that. Let me show you. I'm going to show you my, I think the first line is going to be, here, let me show you. I'm going to show you page 1 of my spreadsheet. My spreadsheet is a beast. All right. Look. Oh. Okay. Let me clean the lens. God damn. Okay. I'm not even editing this. Okay. I'm recording right now. Okay, that's my Flare. That's my Songbird. Okay, this is the actual price right now. Right now, that's a price change of Flare and Songbird according to Yahoo Finance in the last 24,000. Here's my holdings in Flare. I actually have 208,140 Flare, and I have 223,592 Songbird, okay? This is my DCA price. Look, I'm going to show you. Total investment inside of Flare. I only put 1,850. Total investment of Songbird, just $770. But look at my DCA price, ladies and gentlemen. My DCA price on Flare is 0.0088. My DCA price on Songbird is 0.00344. That is incredible. That is incredible. That is incredible. And this crap right here is going to get even lower. Protect your DCA price at all times. Protect it. I think I gave y'all a little bit too much. Look, when I go live, ladies and gentlemen, everyone is welcome to go live. Even my trolls, my haters, my fudsters. But when I go live, ask questions, because the question you ask may help other people. I'm not doing this for my help. I'm not doing it to get famous. I'm not doing it to get rich, because this channel is not monetized. All right, maybe one day it will. I don't know, but it is not. So I will show my what do you call it? My spreadsheet in the future, because right now it's the holiday season. I would like to try it before Christmas, and explain how to set up a proper spreadsheet so you can properly DCA. All right, and it is what it is, but you know, I got a lot of things to do. Yes, there's another thing I forgot. Yes, my brother claimed he found a bottom for Flare, but I haven't looked at it, but I'm thinking it's more of a price projection instead of a price call. There's a difference between price projection, price call, but we'll get in that. But he believes he found the bottom, but I don't know if it's a price projection bottom or a price call bottom, but we'll get into that later. But once again, ladies and gentlemen, hit the like button. It's a free thing, and I'm not missing anything. All right, yeah, okay. Until the next time, my friends, assalamu alaikum.